Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about the variables, arrays, and functions in PHP. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. PHP is a popular server-side scripting language that is widely used to create dynamic websites and web applications. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to use variables, arrays, and functions in PHP to build your web projects. Let's start with variables in PHP. Variables in PHP are used to store data and can be accessed and manipulated throughout your code. To declare a variable in PHP, you simply use the dollar symbol followed by the variable name. For example, in this example, we've created a variable called $name and assigned it the value of John Doe. Variables in PHP are case-sensitive, so make sure to use the correct case when accessing your variables. Next, let's take a look at arrays in PHP. Arrays are collections of values that can be accessed by their index or key. To create an array in PHP, you use the array function, like this. You can also use associative arrays, which are arrays that use keys instead of indices to access their values, like this. In this example, we've created an associative array called $person that contains 3 key value pairs. To access values in an associative array, you can use the key name, like this. Finally, let's take a look at functions in PHP. Functions are blocks of code that can be called multiple times throughout your code, making it easier to reuse code and keep your code organized. To create a function in PHP, you use the function keyword followed by the function name, like this. In this example, we've created a function called greet that takes a single parameter, $name. You can call this function by passing a value for $name, like this. That's it for this tutorial on working with variables, arrays, and functions in PHP. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something. Like and subscribe to Orin-X. See you guys in the next video.